Hello, Leo. This is your August 1st through 7th tarot reading with me, Haley from Tarot from Beyond. You had a flyer, and the flyer is self inflicted confusion, okay? So remember the first two words self inflicted. Now let's talk about this. Queen of Swords represents a woman with discernment, and then here we go with this brash individual. Okay. I see anger and lies and people having to use their strength because this is the problem. Leo, some of you are spending too much time with this one or spending too much time with someone who spends time with this one, okay? Use your intuition. This behavior is starting to piss you off on a regular. It requires like healing sessions where your angels like jump in and like stop things from becoming awry. You're being told to use your intuition. Yes, lies are involved. However, you are strong. You are Leo the lion. Always and forever. And the catalyst for putting people on the back burner, especially yourself, usually is a relationship. Are we talking about a relationship? Something that I know you guys are about to let die. Well, that's good. You know this is what you have to do so that your harvest can grow. I feel as though some of you have been watching all of the videos and you're like, we know. Focus and self-discipline. Especially when it comes to relationships and letting people in your private space. People haven't been too genuine these days. I'd keep my eyes focused on who's right for me and who's not. If they don't speak to me with respect, if they don't respect my boundaries, I pretty much don't have anything to do with them. Because they need to learn on their own, in their own journey, how to act. You have a right to say, in my journey, I don't have to deal with your misuse of me. You're the boss of the way people treat you. You're being told to sacrifice for your happiness, okay? Some of you feel like this breakup is going to be like the worst thing ever. No, it's going to be the best thing ever. Okay? Trust me. It may feel like a sacrifice now for some of you, but really inadvertently, this person's stealing something from you that is taking away from what you could be having right now, which is what, spirit guides and angels. By walking away from this relationship, from this brash individual that constantly plays mind games with you and leaves you feeling confused all the time, that comes with all of the conflict, right? It just says, manifest yourself out of this situation. You will be acknowledged by everyone around you for saving yourself all the grief that you would have dealt with in being in this relationship with this person who likes to steal, who has bad habits, and has violent tendencies. Okay? The recipe for constant conflict. And so like spirit is cheering you on, letting you know, you're strong. Hello. You guys know how to focus and have self-discipline. You guys know how to manifest positivity in your life by watching the things you say, watching the things you think, and realizing that it all has a return. What comes out of your mouth is a spell. Don't speak ill of yourself or anyone else. When you finally realize what you've gained by getting out of this relationship, you will feel good about yourself. Other people will acknowledge you for it. I'm sure this one will have been glad to be able to be given a break from always having to break up. You know, imagine the arguments. I mean, these two are coming together in everybody's spread. Like, one thing that's being noticed in relationships is that one party really does not care about the other person's feelings. Okay? And that's like a no-no. That why are some of you confused as to how to deal with this, you know? You don't let anybody treat you like that, ever. You don't even treat yourself like that. You know? You walk away from people like that. I don't care how long you've been with them. Because when they have no regard for your feelings, you know what happens? They steal a piece of you that you had, that you knew that you were worth, and they stole it from you and told you that no, really and truly, you don't have that quality. I mean, they know how to break you down mentally. Swords represent your mentality, your intellect. They know how to steal your self-esteem away. Okay? You know what to do about it. And a lot of you are doing what you need to do about it. That card means that your family is going to be so glad you got away from this person. You're strong enough to get through this, Leo. This is cleanup month. You don't need the chaos. You don't need the chaos. Here's the recipe for chaos. Remember I just showed you? Where is it? Recipe for chaos. Where are you at? Belligerent behavior and theft. Perfect recipe. Look. Perfect recipe for disaster. Perfect recipe for the fire sign in you to not be able to contain itself. Walk away. Know that you are strong enough, you know, to move on and go on about your business. You know this is no bueno. You want to build something for yourself, you're not going to be able to do it with a thief, okay? Or a liar. Okay? Always use your intuition. It is there for a reason, sweetheart. And I'm telling you, police the people and situations around you. Okay? Everybody's not allowed around you and in your mix. And so an angel had to get involved for you with regards to this particular exchange that was going on. Because I feel like a lot of you Leo were like, you know what? Like, I think I sense like some for real, like, you know, fighting, like I used to get into it, you know, and I'm talking about relationship wise. Your money's always coming up short. This is how you're gonna feel when you actually, you know, realize that you're in a relationship with someone where lies are a part of their normal thing. They piss you off on a regular basis because they have no respect for your feelings. They steal your time. They have bad habits that you just don't engage in. So where do you guys have that in common? I'm not sure. You're always waiting for your harvest to come in. You know, you put more work in, but you get less than what you expect. And again, the catalyst for us putting ourselves and the people who love us on the back burner are relationships. And so we saw that one liked to steal, and that one liked to, like, mad selfish. That was a taker. It was not a giver. I can't express enough that relationships are about give and take. Okay, so you need to sacrifice and say, like, okay, if I stay in this relationship with this person, what am I sacrificing? For those of you who want more clarity on this, you know what to do. My information's in the description. Stay focused. You're being urged to let... There's the funeral. Let this relationship die, honey. This is not the one for you. Happiness can definitely be manifested by you, but it comes with self-discipline, and you certainly cannot feel confused about, should I stay with somebody who lies to me, steals from me, pisses me off on a regular basis, has no regard for my feelings, and I'm always putting everybody else on the back burn for this person. Again, if you have, you know what, if you have a sun, moon, or rising, and pretty much, I would just watch all the readings so that you can kind of see the energy of how people are behaving right now. You know, there's a lot of people who give until they can't give anymore. And then you have some people who just take, and they will take your last until you absolutely have nothing. They'll even blindside you and, like, just straight up steal from you and be very, very, very scandalous with it. Very backstabby, very, you know, very ouch type behavior from other people. People are, like, really cutthroat the way they've been acting lately. And then it's always the person who acts like they have some sense, where fate is always on your side. Like, you guys are the ones that are always able to pay your bills and, like, you know, keep your head on straight because you didn't sit and, you know, fester in what somebody else did to you or whatever. Intimate relationships, I say this all the time, they are so important. You guys have to be so meticulous with regards to who you let in your personal space. Okay? So I don't know if I had done this for you guys or not, but I've done this for the other readings where I let you guys know that I'm an intuitive and a teacher. Okay? And I use the cards to utilize my my intuition to know what's going on with you. Okay? Then my intuition through spirit and the cards also lets me know what to tell you that you have to look forward to by either, you know, when it comes to making decisions about certain things that you are in. And so if you felt that this resonated, please hit like, subscribe, leave your comments. My information is in the description area. Send me an email. I have a new feature where you can send me an email, one question, make it really specific, and I'll respond within 20 minutes, and those are $10. So you can go to my website and hit book my reading now, pay $10, and give me your question, and then within 20 minutes, I will have it answered for you. Okay, so with that being said, Leo, yes, this is cleanup month, not just for you, for a lot of people. Love yourself, know your worth, and namaste, my loves.